Alright guys, we're going to make a visit to the control room of the ship and meet the captain. I've met him early in the day, and he gave me some details about the ship. I guess it was 1240 tons, and he gave me information about the widths, and it works by 3 diesel powers for the thrust and 3 for the electric generations. Only in the back, nothing, no pull from the front, only push. And currently we're approaching the wiener, Hawis in Arabic. I just remembered the English name because I took I was just looking through the slides of Dr. Yahya Imam by chance. Okay, that's the slides which I remembered, but now I'm totally ashamed of myself because there is no N in this. What the fuck have I been saying the whole video? Damn, I'm so ashamed of myself, man. I'm so shy watching the video. Can I not upload this video? It's called Weirs, and it's for Sudud or some small dams or Haddarat. Not Hawis. Hawis is called Canal Lock. So guys, please, if you hear wieners with an N, please ignore it and imagine just Canal Lock, and pardon me for the weird video. Man, I'm so shy. There's the wiener we're approaching, and we'll see how everything will go. Let's take a visit now and see how they maneuver in the wiener. السلام عليكم. انت بيقولوا لي جبت مخالفين. انت تخش تخش. خلاص مش عارف اخش نمشي روح روح. لا هات الجاي. شوف اللي جايين يقولوا. ايه؟ The captain has stood up. He's probably serious now. Pull up from inside and outside. I know the wind might be strong. Be back with me. The ship is passing through the wiener, it's only like half a meter on this side and half a meter on the other side, elsewise the ship would scratch. The captain is completely alone now, totally concentrating. He's controlling the thrust. You can see the ship speed has decreased. You can see the ship is almost in a stall now, compared to the velocity we were moving with a few moments ago. A closer look on the wind. By the whole length of the Nile. Captain is giving orders for safety. Directions from the left side and directions from the right side. It's a very serious situation right now. Obviously the captain is angry right now. People are not concentrating. There it is, a very serious and intense situation. You can see how nervous everyone is. More directions. Probably they are merchandise, trying to sell goods to the people above. Have you seen the loading zone? That's the control. They're pulling the ship as the ship has leaned more towards the right, so we need to attract it more towards the left.
الحبل معانا من غربة برضو عزيزكم من الاخ اللي جاي برا جو احنا خلاص جالس معاك الحبل الحداف لمه واحد يلم الحداف ده خبرني عن الدهم ماشي جوه الليل خلي تلاقي الحبل يكسر بالحداف طول حبل طول الحداف خليه بعيد عليها انت رايح لحدك يا عم ما توصل هات الحق طاوله سعيد يا باشا كده زاد عشان اشتغل يا سعيد
Moved right now to push from this place instead of the first place. It will be moved by each step. There are the directions from this side. There's also pulling from this side. What an intense situation. The rope has been released and put to the ship. It seems those are annoying merchandise who are often here, and they seem to annoy the captain a lot. He seems to have been used to this. We're going up to see how close the ship is from both sides. Look, it's barely even half a meter.
شنو الحاجة دي؟
مش بيرموني انا.
لا بيرموا السفينة كلها علشان تتفرج.
ايوه It's a bit more than half a meter from here. Everyone is watching the process. Such an intense process. Let's get down to the control room again.
تقلقش من شرقه كله من شرقه خليه شرقه مهمه عشان هو شرقي بس لو قاعد صاحبك شرقه خليه كله
Let's get to the lowest level now.
ها يا ابني هديك 100 زياده
هات الطبيعة
هنطلع منه مش
طلع جزء كبير منه طيب
اهو نبغى
على الطرق
آخر حاجة. The ship is going to leave right now.
انزل تحت انزل تحت
ها يا حمدي
You can see the ship is gaining thrust. It's almost safe to leave now. You can see the people are trying hard to overrow the ship and move faster than its thrust. It's impressive that humans are capable of winning over a 240 horsepower. We have successfully passed through the first cleanup. However, we are approaching the second one right now. It's 12:40 right now, and Juma prayer is approaching. One of them is closed. Perhaps it's the other direction.
هذا شيء انا عارف بس لازم اقول لك انا عارف اتعامل
Captain is giving instructions again.
انا كنت اخش فيها على كده
Another merchant. Honestly, this is the first time for me to see such merchants in the sea. Perhaps in the old ages and the golden ages for pirates it was like that as well.
نخلصوا من الكتفين دول
It's still calm now. No hype, no tension. Everything starts all of a sudden.
واحد قبل الباب واحد بعد بحر الباب ايوه الباب
I think I would like to concentrate on the process of rope throwing and fixating this time. He is ordering to give a rope now. There we are. Look at the weight at the bottom. 3. Then he changes mind. 2, 1. Go. And suck. access.
تعال خد عندك الاول شك عندك.
عايز فين يا ريس؟
The bigger rope.
عجب على النار.
طول يا عم سعيد.
زي ما انت كده لغايه
While they are concentrating on passing the rope, there's a harder business here. The same thing we did
اول ما اقول لك تاجي هنا عشان ما دي تاجي.
in the past. We know how to slowly and slowly approach the ship to the left wall. It seems they are following this single tactic. Approach the ship slowly to the left wall, reduce the distance as much as you can to the left wall, and control it from the right side, giving as much as distance as we can on the right side. Only concentrating on one side to not disperse ourselves and to be able to concentrate on only one thing,
اجيب لك على قد بريس.
which increases maneuver. The camera battery is dying. I hope it lasts for just a few more minutes longer. You can see the window is closed right now. It will most probably be opened while we are passing.
ماشي ماشي.
اول ما هو 10
وبرا الرصيف هقول لك بس ثانية وحبنا حيكون اشتغل برضه. خليك جاي من السن، خليك جاي من سن، خليك جاي من سن لبرا برضه. خليك جاي من سن برضه برا. ما تقلقش. شوف برا. بس كده.
Closer than the last time.
معاك الحاب شغال.
ماشي انت ماشي ماشي انت ماشي
طويل طويل طويل.
The rope is ready.
طويل حاب.
انت ماشي
طويل طويل طويل. ماشي ثلاثة. معاك معاك معاك. زيد زيد.
من عندي على كده ماشي انت
Pulling
ماشي.
now. The rope is pulling now. The ship is supposed to rotate about at this point.
ريح ريح.
تمشي الحب ماشي من عندي ماشي.
It's approaching so
ما
much.
تقلقش انا وعينه هنا ليه؟
It's approaching so much.
تقل.
It's supposed to be safe now. It's supposed to be safe now. You can see, you can barely realize that the ship is rotating indeed around this point. I can see it clearly from where I stand right now.
تقل.
They are giving orders to each other whether to pull the rope or to push the. He's ordering now to control the rope more.
يا راجل حدك الحب. هي هو دي.
انت ما تخافش
ريح.
A successful throw.
ماشي يا ريس ما تقلقش.
In order to release the rope,
يا بنزل فيها نني. قلت لك تقل قلت تقل ولا انزل. يا ريس. حاضر. يا عم سمعونا يا عمي.
there we are from the other side.
نص متر حيخلص الباب. طول كده الفرميله الكبيره كده شرق الغرب قبل.
It seems this time there are no ropes thrown from this side. Only follow up. Everything seems to be going well from this side, according to what she's saying. And again, another merchant thrown up. Perhaps one will buy this time. The door is still closed.
زي ما انت ماشي من الله ينور الحاجه اللي هترجعني. بس كده زي ما انت بالعدل. زي ما انت حلو قوي كده الله ينور عليك.
It's really intense. He's saying that everything is going very well.
حاجه بسيطه.
Everything is perfect.
تفلش تفلش. ما تخليكوش فتح بوزه شوي فتح بوزه شوي
We need rope control this time. Since we are not in the open water, you can realize that wind speed here is very slow. Another merchant. You can realize that from the current motion of the water, the flag, and even the noise, the reduced noise in the mouth. They will need here, they will need here. Okay, they can see.
افتح بوزه شوي يا باشا تنزل برا مش غالي ده شاط سوبر مغازات اقول لك
No problems encountered.
افتح بوزه عشان الفرميله والكوتش طلعوا يا باشا اتفرج على المفرش ده خليك فاتح بوزه عشان ما يدقوا شريش عايزين نستفتح عليك ان شاء الله افرد يا باشا افرد شوف ده 3 متر مش المفرش
I'm still wondering why the gate hasn't been opened.
يا باشا بص يا باشا
There's another one making records. Check his face.
اقول لك بكام؟ اقول لك السوا هي اللي هي اصعب
يا ايوب
You can see that there is a difference in water level. I have no idea honestly what's supposed to be happening right now.
متر ومعاه 12 يلا هدي عايز رسمه غير كده يعني بس بطول حركش تاني
راحتك يا ايوب
I've been taken under the ship's body.
على كده
امسك امسك
ما ايوب يقول خليه ماشي
They have totally stopped the engines. We are currently waiting to see what will happen. We are currently going to the back of the ship to see the rest of the process. It hasn't totally gotten to now. Inside the wiener, our ship gets in, and then the scientific process is that water level gets reduced to be on the same level of the water in front. And then after they do that, using pumps to suck water from where we are, the ship level will decrease with the water, and then the gates from the front will open. Those gates won't open at all under any condition unless the two water levels are the same. I will explain that once I get back to the front gate. However, now I want you to see the process of the second ship approaching, and as you can see, the gates are closing. Okay, a quick question. Why did they put two ships? Simply the answer is to reduce the amount of power and water wasted. From this side to the other side, those are water thrown and as well pumps used. So by doing this process on two ships instead of one ship at a time, we can reduce the amount of water thrown to the other side and the energy used to throw this water into the half. As you can see, it's more clear from here, from our ship, photographing the other ship, how the process of parking is. I think you have seen it. This ship has moved and is indeed still slightly moving to this direction. Another thing I realized right now is that the wind direction is this way. That's why they are tying ropes from the left. Unfortunately, the camera's batteries has been drained, so now we're recording from the phone. You can see the pumps has been activated and the water level is increasing very fast. The water level is decreasing very swiftly. So what I wanted to explain back there is this gates. This gates hasn't the slightest possibility to open in our current condition. This is because the water is pushing those gates. It's made with an angle for this certain reason. Water is pushing from this way and the gate opens to the inside, which means whenever there is water levels higher than the water levels of the Nile, of the flow it means you can't pull the gate this way. You can even try it in your bathtub, maybe while having bath. Try to stop the water from going to your sink with your hands and try to move your hands. You will sense but slightly difference in pressure on your hand, which will make you understand which way is harder to move and which way is easier. If the gate by any means tries to open forcibly in this condition, those pistons will most probably break. The captain was saying a few moments ago a piece of information that these gates are designed this way as well to prevent breaking or damaging to the gate if a ship hits it. Although nothing will happen if the ship hits the door. If the ship hits the door, that's a great fine, and probably you're going to be jailed, and I'm quite certain you're going to lose your shipping license. So I can see from my position now that the water level is almost the same, so I think we're supposed to start moving right now. Indeed, as the captain said, it have passed almost only 3 minutes. I've asked him a few moments ago how long will it take to empty the waters, and he said not more than 3 minutes. It have been just 2 minutes 30 roughly until now. We are currently waiting for the gates to open. The captain is still outside. He hasn't returned. gates are opening right now. You can see the motion. It seems one gate is faster than the other. I honestly don't know if there is a scientific concept behind that, or simply one of them is just slower for any engineering problems facing it. The captain is back in the front of the wheel, and this should be the final phase, departure. Not as hard as all what we have been through, but still, we must complete everything perfectly. We will be waiting for the second gate to completely open. You can see the gate locks. You can see how tough they seem. You can see as well the rubber stoppers to prevent any possibilities of water leakage, and you can see the engraver in which the gate is supposed to rest on, such that there is no section going outside of the wall to prevent friction or hitting with the ship. There we are. Captain is giving thrust to the ship. You can see the ship is moving slowly. The rope is still attached. It has been released right now. It's almost done. All is good, all is perfect. You can hear that right side says there's no problem. Left side is also replying no problems. Everything is perfect. There we are. There we are. Just a few more meters. Only a few more meters. Everything is okay and everything is perfect. No problems at all now. And we're out. Ladies and gentlemen, we're out. A job well done.